Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am doing a haul video. I recently bought a few products from sleekmakeup.com, which is a UK based brand. So I'll just quickly take you through all the things I bought. So I placed my order on 1st August on the website, and it took them 10 days to process and deliver the order to Tokyo, Japan from UK. So I got it yesterday, which was 11th of August. I was charged $23 for shipping, which is a little high in my opinion, but because I was ordering eyeshadow palettes, I knew that the shipping is going to be a little on the higher side. Generally, most brands, when you have larger things like palettes, tend to charge a little higher for shipping. So I ordered 5 products. 3 of them are eyeshadow palettes. Sleek is quite well known for their eyeshadow palettes. They're definitely the most popular product from the brand, and I have tried some of their palettes before. So they have quite a wide range of palettes. They also do limited edition palettes when they do special collections. So I got 2 palettes which are from the permanent range and one which is limited edition. So I'm going to show you the limited edition one first. This is the Arabian Nights palette, and I really like the packaging. I think it looks really attractive. The other 2 palettes that I have are, one is called Vintage Romance and the third one is called Garden of Eden. I'm going to open these up and show you a close-up of all these palettes. The first one is the Arabian Nights palette, which has a lot of these deep colorful shades that you can use to create really intense smoky eyes. I think Arabic makeup is known to be quite intense, colorful and dramatic, and I think Sleek has captured that idea of Arabic makeup quite well. I think it's a really nice selection of colors. You've got a couple of intense, colorful, dramatic colors and a bunch of neutrals here. So I think the neutrals and the colorful shades can be paired together to create really beautiful looks. I'll be doing a look with this very soon. And this is a close-up of the Arabian Nights palette. The Sleek palettes come in this black casing like this. You've got this thin rectangular slim palette which is made of plastic. Inside you get 2 rows of eyeshadows. You've got 6 eyeshadows in each row. So the palette contains a total of 12 eyeshadows. I think size wise these palettes are not too bulky. They are not too big. You can easily travel with these, and I really like that they are built quite sturdily. They don't feel very flimsy, so they definitely can be taken around if you want to travel. This is the Vintage Romance palette, and I am the most excited for this palette because I really like working with purple and plum eyeshadows. So you've got this whole bunch of berry and pink and purple shades. You've got some nice golden bronze neutrals here. You've got a matte orangey brown, something like MAC soft brown here, and 1 or 2 darker shades if you want to go smokier. So this is again a very interesting palette, and I'm really excited to try this one out. This is a close-up of the Vintage Romance palette. And the third palette I have here is the Garden of Eden palette. You've got these really pretty different kinds of green shades here, and the top row is all kind of earthy neutral shades. I do like green eyeshadows, but I don't use them that much, so I wanted to try more of greens, and that's why I picked this palette. This is a close-up of the Garden of Eden palette. So those were the 3 eyeshadow palettes I bought. Coming to the other products I bought, I have got 2 face products here. The first one is the Sleek Contour Kit. The Sleek Contour Kit is this really slim, handy contouring kit. You basically get 2 products here. You get a matte contouring powder and a shimmery highlighter here. I think this is available in 3 shades. I picked the shade medium and I've used it today. I think the brown is a little darker than what I'm used to, but I think I can work with it. I really like the highlighter because it's a very natural looking color. The shimmer is not too strong, so it doesn't look too heavy on your skin. This is a close-up of the contour kit. The shade I have is medium. And the last product I bought is one which is also another very popular product from Sleek. It's a Sleek powder blush. The shade is called Rose Gold, and this is supposed to be a dupe for NARS Orgasm. When I first came to Japan, I really wanted to try NARS blushes, and obviously the first shade that I went for was NARS Orgasm because it's so hyped up and everyone raves about it. But I didn't try it on my cheeks, but I did swatch it on my hand, and I felt that it was more of shimmer than color on my skin. That's why I didn't buy NARS Orgasm. So NARS blushes are not cheap, and I didn't think that it would be a nice blush for me, maybe a good highlighter, but didn't add too much color to my skin, so I skipped Orgasm. But I was still really curious to see how the color would work on me, so I bought the rose gold blush and I am wearing it today. So on my skin this seems quite similar to NARS Orgasm. It doesn't give a lot of color, but it gives more of a sheen. I'm not sure yet if I like it or not. I feel like looking at it close up, my pores look quite emphasized when I've worn this. Maybe on camera it doesn't show. I may just want to use this as a highlighter instead of a blush. This is a close-up of rose gold blush. That is my Sleek makeup haul. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about Sleek makeup or online ordering regarding the products, you can leave me a comment below. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Here are some other videos that you might enjoy watching. You can click on either of these to see the full video. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, as well as my blog. All my links are given below in the description box. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll be back with another video soon. Bye.